So how do we actually connect our MacBook here to our TCL TV here, as you can see? Well, the first thing we need to do on our TCL TV is to actually go into apps here, as you can see, and you need to get a specific app. I'm gonna show you that is called AirScreen or Air Mirror. It doesn't matter, both of them are really good, but I'm just gonna use AirScreen for this tutorial. So just search for that specific app on the app section. I'm gonna show you where you can actually search for it as well. I'm just gonna close this one real quick. You can search for it here, as you can see. So search for apps and games. In here you will need to search for that specific app called AirScreen. And now we can just enter it right here. So once you have entered it, then what we're going to do is that, I'm just gonna click on cancel here. So basically on your MacBook now, you need to find this little icon here, as you can see. And then it's gonna say screen mirroring, just click on it. And you can see it says the Smart TV here, the AirPlay, just click on it. It's gonna say AS Smart TV, AirPlay. And then we're just gonna wait for it to load right here. So it's just gonna load, and you can see we can either share the entire screen, window or app, or extended display. I'm just gonna show the entire screen, why not? And you can see now it's working. So basically that is exactly the easiest way to connect your MacBook to your TCL Smart TV here, as you can see.